Treat Fruit Punch emerged as a notable soda in 1966, celebrated for its vibrant tropical flavors that captured the essence of sunshine and beach vibes of that era. It quickly became a staple at social events. Similarly, Rondo Citrus Soda, introduced in 1978, presented a refined alternative to conventional orange sodas, appealing to adults in search of a bold, less sugary citrus refreshment. Its distinctive branding contributed significantly to its market presence. Meanwhile, Youth chocolate drink gained popularity in the 1960s with its sweet and smooth flavor that resonated with both children and adults alike, although its prominence has waned over the years. Nonetheless, it remains a cherished nostalgic favorite. Transitioning into the realm of kids' beverages, Squeeze It offered not just a drink, but an interactive experience, showcasing playful designs and a variety of unique flavors. Its vibrant, character-shaped bottles became immensely popular during the 80s and 90s. In contrast, Hires Root Beer, which debuted in the late 1800s, was once a household name recognized for its sweet flavor and catchy advertising. However, by the 1960s and 70s, it struggled to maintain its competitive edge against newer brands. Hawaiian Punch also rose to popularity, known for its affordable tropical flavors, making it a favorite at family gatherings. Over the years, however, significant changes in its recipe diluted its original appeal. On a different note, Country Club malt liquor aimed for a sophisticated image, distinguishing itself from competitors that embraced a rougher persona. This marketing approach attracted a demographic seeking a more refined drinking experience. Despite its appealing pricing and packaging, public responses varied widely. Some consumers appreciated the higher alcohol content, whereas others found the taste harsh and uninviting. As time passed, the growing disconnect between marketing and actual consumer experience played a crucial role in its decline. By the late 20th century, Country Club malt liquor's popularity had plummeted sharply. Orbit Soda introduced an innovative twist with tiny edible balls, creating a captivating experience for children. Unfortunately, it later faced criticism for its texture and artificial flavors. Caput Joy Juice, inspired by a comic strip, was marketed as a lightly carbonated beverage, carving out a nostalgic niche in the soft drink market during the 1960s and 70s. Likewise, Funny Face Drink Mix emerged as a competitor to Kool-Aid, featuring playful characters and vibrant packaging, yet it eventually faded in charm and distinctiveness as years went by. Jolly Good distinguished itself with unique flavors such as old-fashioned cream soda and sour power, attracting consumers looking for alternatives to sugary colas. This variety significantly contributed to its regional appeal. Additionally, the brand's cans featured jokes at the bottom, adding a playful touch that resonated with families during picnics and gatherings, helping to foster a loyal customer base. However, Jolly Good's decline in the late 1990s stemmed from increased competition and shifts in consumer preferences, which diminished its availability in stores and hindered national expansion. Similarly, Patio's downfall was largely influenced by PepsiCo's introduction of Diet Pepsi in 1964, which mimicked the taste of regular Pepsi, overshadowing other diet alternatives and significantly impacting Patio's market presence. Genie, with its unique flavor profile that combined sweet and tart elements along with a hint of quinine, attracted consumers looking for diversity in their beverage options. The brand's bold marketing established its popularity. Barley's non-carbonated fruit drinks provided a refreshing alternative during an era dominated by sugary colas, appealing to families seeking healthier choices. However, competition and evolving consumer preferences ultimately led to its decline. In the 1950s, fizzy drink tablets revolutionized soda consumption by allowing families to create customized fizzy drinks at home. This innovation offered a fun, interactive experience for all ages. The affordability and novelty of fizzies made them particularly popular among families, providing a unique and engaging way for children to enjoy a fizzy drink. This concept significantly contributed to their initial success. Despite overcoming various challenges over the years, fizzies have undergone several reformulations and revivals, including a notable relaunch in the 2000s. Their evolution reflects the ongoing trends within the beverage market.